Good morning everyone. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss the continuing topic labeling. In this, I have told the meaning, concept, definition and the things which are there in labeling. Today also I will tell the continuing topic label. Here it is written the label should provide, it should provide picture of the product. Accurate means right picture of the product as to size, color and appearance. Description of ingredients used along with methods of processing, like we see on the packet of Maggi. Description of ingredients added in Maggi are written. Also there is a method how to cook Maggi. So methods as well as ingredients must also be written on labeling. Next, directions for use. Yes, some products have directions to use also including cautions means harmful things against misuse. If you do anything in other way which it can be harmful, so cautions also are written for something like in medicine, syrups, drops, eye drops. Next, brand names are also written in labeling. Date of manufacturing and expiring. Yes, every time medicines have date of manufacturing and expiring. Next, statutory warning if any. Some products may have legal warnings, means like like acid, these have statutory warning that not to use much. Some medicines also have statutory warning like sleeping pills. Next, 7 last, contraindications means opposite indications. Indications means information. Some things have some side effects also. An adverse effect means side effects. Some things have something side effects also. So you must not use them after their expiry date or in some other cases if some contraindications and side effects are given. So some products, if any, they can have some side effects also. So these all details are written in labeling of package in product. Next topic, role of labeling. So labeling also plays a very important role, same as packaging. Packaging is important, similarly labeling is also important. Point 1, provides description of the product and specifies its content. Labeling provides description of product. Yes, labeling tells all the details of the product and its content. The label provides detailed information of product, the ingredient, usage, care to be taken. Caution means harmful things. Batch number, manufacturing place, helpline number in certain cases, like some products have helpline number like Oreo biscuits, Amul milk, date of manufacturing and expiry like medicines, etc. Next point 2, identifies the product or brand. Yes, labeling also identifies the product or brand. Labeling enables to identify the product among multiple brands. For example, Sunfeast brand biscuits can be easily identified from other brands on the basis of their labeling. Okay, Sunfeast is different look wise. So by its labeling you can identify Sunfeast brand of biscuits. Okay, next 3 points are remaining that I will discuss in other video. I will finish this session on Monday. So wait till the video of Monday. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you for today.